5009 Mick. So I'm just going to point out the fence line here. It's not graded, so you have like little gaps underneath the fence at various points, but it's the front yard, so I'm not sure how much it matters. These are all, these are not the blinds that we typically do, which are the 2.5-inch velvet blinds. The paint looks pretty fresh on this built-in here. So you might want to add bifold doors here or not, but they're missing. Upgraded light fixture and fan. Quartz counters. Looks like that cabinet's just a little off, needs a little bit of adjustment. Over time, this paint will flake. They painted the hinges too, so that will continue to wear. Undermount sink, gooseneck faucet. So we have another door there. We may want to rekey that door as well. This is against fire code. Need to get that sealed. Oh, pet doors. I'm gonna redo those sliders. There's that side access door. Various junk items. Could use a little landscape cleanup. That's normal. Just trying to get a view of the roof. There's a weird, I don't know if you can see it in the video, there's a weird lump in the roof, not the patio. It's all uneven. So we'll see if we can get an expert to let us know what's going on there. You can see it better from this angle, I think. Okay. That's that.